Hi guys, got a package from eBay here, and to attempt a out of the packet pick, so get this open. This one I bought. It's a Kasp 12060. Okay, there we go. Nice big lump of brass. That's the bitting, if you can see that. Alright, so once again that's the bitting on the key. Not too bad. The lock works. Got spring tension on the core. Quite rough feeling. Okay, so I think we'll go with pin side tension. And standard hook. And on pin 5. So it's 6 pins. Pin 6 that was. A talkative little padlock, a big padlock. I click on pin 2. Go, moving on pin 6. No kind of particular feedback, just a feeling of low tolerances in there. No spools or anything as far as I can tell. It's not, can't disassemble it, so I'll probably never know.